Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Now today it's a video of a different kind because I will be repotting my geraniums. This is the pot. I have already put the net down there at the base so that the soil doesn't drop off, and this is the soil that I am using. Actually, it is not the soil from my place. It was there in one of the flower pots where I had purchased ivy geranium, but the ivy geranium that the seller had given was a very weak, lean and thin one, and yes, in 1 month's time it was dead. So this pot with the soil was lying with me for a very long time, so I thought I should use this as it has quite a good percentage of sand along with the leaf compost. And I had mixed some fungicide a week back, and this is the best thing that I'm using. This is the bioorganic manure, which has been made by decomposing vegetable peels, fruit peelings, all that. I had put them in a bag and had stored them, and after a year this is what has been produced, and it is very healthy for the plant. This is the geranium plant that I am going to repot because the pot has become too small for it. This is the geranium from the batch of 5 that I had purchased from Darjeeling. All the cuttings died, and this is the only one that survived, and it is almost about 8 to 9 months old, and it should actually have flowered by now, but no signs of bud. And I had been thinking for quite some time of repotting it to a bigger pot because the pot size is also too small. So here I am removing it from the present pot so that it can be transferred to a bigger one. And as the plant has given out a new branch, the plant is also getting bigger and the pot is getting too tiny for it. The plant is getting bigger means that it is going to produce more roots, and as the pot size is too small, I felt that's the reason why it is not producing any buds, because I am waiting patiently to see the flower that it produces, because I want to see the color of the flower, because the seller had told me that it's a hybrid variety. But hybrid or the ordinary variety, I just want to see it bloom. That is my intention, and so I have placed it in the bigger pot, and here I am adding the soil along with the organic manure that I had made, or I have been making. Actually, I'm using the 1-year-older one, and I have started storing this year as well. All the vegetable peels, the fruit, banana peels, these are very good for the plants. You can also add eggshells. Once we have the boiled eggs, the eggshells can be crushed with your hand, and then you can add it to the bin or the bag where you are storing. Actually, I am storing it in a bag because I don't have much place, and to all that is rotting, I add soil so that the decomposition happens quickly. And already the plant is looking so beautiful. Actually, this particular pot is perfect for this size plant. That is what I meant to say. And now I have another task at hand, that is, this is the cryptanthus, the mother plant, and it has died, and when I was about to throw it off, I saw a tiny baby plant that was clinging to its mother, the mother plant. So I thought I should plant this as well, and the mother plant is totally rotten, no signs of life there. So I'm going to throw it off, but I have a tiny baby plant as well as another baby plant which can be potted in this particular tiny pot. And as usual, I am placing the net at the bottom so that the soil just doesn't fall off randomly. And here I'm using the same soil, and after that I'm going to add my biocompost, and this is the baby plant which I am just going to push it into the soil. I have another one, as I told you, so this also goes into the same pot. And one thing I would like to tell you all, cryptanthus are very slow growing plants, and I think it's going to take quite some time till we see the plant big enough. So here it has been placed already. Actually, the plant is getting camouflaged with the soil that I have used. Anyway, I am going to now add some water, but not here because I am doing my work in my room. Already my floor has turned so dirty. I have to do the cleanup again, and this is the pot, the new pot where the geranium has been placed, and this is all the mess that I have to clean now. Anyway, I'll clean it up, no problem. As long as my plants are happy, I am also happy. I don't mind doing extra bit of work for my plants. So this is how they look. Thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have found the video useful, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.